Good day and welcome to another Micrographics vlog. Today's topic is importing, scaling and tracing a raster image in AutoCAD to have accurate precision. My name is Sean Bauer. I am an applications engineer and Autodesk AECO technical consultant with Micrographics. So let's look at how you can import your raster image, JPEG, PNG, TIFF, bitmap image, and then scale it with a reference and then turn that into an AutoCAD drawing with accurate precision. First, start with a template. I'm using the AutoCAD default Acadiso template. I will add a few layers that I will need for my drawing. I'm keeping the example quite simple. It's just to understand the essential workflow, what one would do. You would have your layers available. Select your image, copy it to your clipboard, and in AutoCAD you can select Ctrl-V or paste. The scale factor is up to you. I'm just scaling it to this factor of 2. We will now scale it to a reference. So I'll use referencing points. As I can see, there's a dimension for 420 for the horizontal line. I turn my line weights on so I can actually see my AutoCAD line versus my raster image. Start the scale command, press R for reference. Use your image scale and scale it towards your reference line that you created. I'm just checking that it is in fact 420 with a dimension on my dimension layer, and now we can start tracing. Add additional layers as you require. You can also give them different line types. I tried to make good use of the modification tools in AutoCAD, such as the copy, mirror, rotate, move, scale, trim, to copy the raster image as accurately as possible based on the information we have with regards to our dimensions that were available on the drawing. You might have an image with less information. You could have an image of a floor plan where you might have no dimensions, but you might want to then use a door as a reference for a 900mm single leaf door. Make good use of your layers so you can accurately represent your drawing. And there you can see, starting with a raster image, we converted it into an AutoCAD drawing based on precision. Now we can maybe place a few more dimensions just to check that we accurately trace our raster image. (200 to 200). (30 offset for the top one and 50 offset for the bottom line. I hope you found this video informative. Please like and subscribe to our channel for future vlogs. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.